So as it says there in the notes, the process for finding the rule of a graph of a trig function, whether it's sine, cos, or tan, very similar to that for the polynomials, exponentials, and logs. In that, list the information you've got. If you've got some coordinates you've been given, you might need to substitute them in. Otherwise, well, what have we got here? We've got a general rule, A sine nt, so I need an amplitude and I need a period. All right. Yeah, well, actually, this one's not straightforward. It says the amplitude is 4 and the period is 12. All right. So the amplitude is 4, so that's fine. A is 4. The period is determined by 2 pi on n, isn't it? That's what the period is for a sine graph. That's equal to 12. Multiply the n across, divide the 12 back, and we get n is equal to pi on 6. So my graph, f of t, is given by 4 sine pi on 6t. Okay, now we're told the period and the amplitude, so we have to do a sketch of it between what, 0 and 12, 12, 6, 9, 3. Amplitude is 4, so we'll go up to positive 4 down to negative 4. It's a sine graph with a period of 12, so that's not so bad. So we know halfway mark is there. At 3 we should get a maximum. At 9 we should get a minimum. And back to 12, less than or equal to, so we'll put solid points in. Okay, so look, they're not always going to be as straightforward as that, but the process is similar. I guess the one to think about really is just this process here. When we work out the n value, we use our amplitude to determine, our amplitude. We use the period of the graph to determine that, okay? Look, we'll keep rolling through. No, we won't.